So we just got back from the private mastermind with none other than Mr. MJ Lopez, our mentor and coach. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. He gave everyone this. This is actually from Pillow Company, right? Which we talked about. It's called Live Pillow. They make custom pillows too, which is really cool. It has everything about MJ on it. That's just part of it, which is awesome. Really firm. So let's go ahead and open it. So awesome. I have this note here. It's personally written by MJ, which is amazing. And it says, William, your leadership doesn't just move people, it elevates them. The way you've embraced priming and used it to empower your team is proof that success starts from within. Keep building, keep anchoring, and keep leading from the front. You're not just growing a digital agency, you're creating a legacy. Mr. MJ Lopez, Ultimate Mastery. So I'm going to definitely frame that. You going to frame this for me and hang it up?
Yep, sir.
It means a lot to me hearing that from him. And then, what's this? So, oh, it says MJ Lopez on it. Man, that's pretty cool. And, oh my gosh, you know I love these big. Look at this. I got two pins.
That's what I told you I need.
No, hello. This is my pins.
No, one for you.
No,
one for me.
it's both for me.
It's share.
Hello.
Sharing is loving.
But one's gold, and it says MJ Lopez on it, which is mine.
You should give me one, all right?
And then I guess this one will be yours. Which one do you want? I like this one. All black alike, but that's really cool. Thank you, Mr. MJ, on that. I mean, there's just more and more. So, there's MJ Lopez on it, little sticker. It tore. It is what it is.
It's your phone.
It can't. It's a sticker. I'm not Filipino. I'm not going to save the paper.
It's his
But
name
the paper
on it.
has his name on it. We'll save it. So, I'm in his Success Blueprint course. Of course, and this is his master. This is just a notebook, so take notes. And it is signed June 14th, 2025. I think being in his mastermind, that private mastermind at his resort, was probably the best Father's Day gift I could get. But when you're going through his course, if you don't have a success, if you don't have a Success Blueprint course, you need to get it. And then, more importantly, make sure you actually do the exercises.
Exercises.
Yeah, he actually has, things and, if you will, assignments you're supposed to do. Yes, I do.
Okay.
And I love bags. You know this. Now I have a professional tote bag. You know I'm gonna put in it, right? Books. MJ Lopez. It's embroidered. That's cool.
That's really cool.
I will never get rid of this box. I always throw away boxes, and I will be putting this one up. Oh my god. And another one. So this is Self-Mastery book. So I'm also in his Self-Mastery course. And once he comes out with it, I'm also be in his Sales Mastery course. But has exercises.
It's a pretty cool book. Yeah.
And everything in it. But when you're doing this, you need to take notes, and that's what that notebook is for. 7 master steps of creating lasting change, and it's just really good. It's really good. If you don't have it, you need to get it. It's worth every penny.
I remember you already book buying the courses.
Oh, I literally, so the Success Blueprint and the other one came with a PDF.
Oh,
so I had it printed here in the Philippines for like a couple hundred pages just to have it.
Yeah, I remember it.
So
Be careful.
I will save the paper. And this is the Success Blueprint.
Yeah,
Instead of having an ebook PDF, it has the whole thing. So
everyone.
he literally goes. So step 1 is decide. Step 2 is plan. Step 3 is take action. Step 4 is monitor. Step 5 is gratitude. Step 6 is reward, and step 7 is creating a standard.
That is pretty cool.
And I mean, I think I paid for the Success Blueprint. It was less than a couple $100.
Yeah. But it's
And then
worth
the
million.
Success Mastery is worth it. I mean, everything is worth it. He goes through it, and the man goes live multiple times a day. If you're not listening to him, you need to. He just created a Telegram group chat for his private students, which I'm in. So, I mean, he's always over-delivering value, always. Best mentor anyone could ask for, best friend, best just to hang out with him. I don't even know Tagalog, and I'm in it. Like this, I can't tell you what this means. Lahat nag marami nagsalamula sa isa. But I know my wife will tell me, and I'll translate it. I can use ChatGPT and go, what's this mean? But good thing about him too is even if you don't know Tagalog, he goes back and forth between Tagalog and English. And the whole book is basically in English. So there's no reason, if you don't know Tagalog, why not take it? If you are Filipino, you need to get into Success Blueprint. And of course, his self-mastery.
And Tony Robinson.
He is the Tony Robbins of the Philippines. I'm thankful that my wife told me the day she told me a year ago, she said, hey, there's this Filipino guy, you need to check him out. And
there's someone more there.
Oh my god, and there's more?
What is that? I didn't even see
And
that.
it's a bookmark. It's a leather bookmark. It says MJ Lopez. I didn't even see that.
I didn't know, yeah.
Looks like a
Open it
bookmark
up,
or a
yeah.
leather tag.
You can use it as a bookmark.
No, we'll use that as a bookmark. So thank you, MJ. Appreciate you. Thank you for being my coach and my mentor, our coach and mentor for me and my wife. We love you and appreciate you. And remember, everything good starts with yes.